Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 25th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have covered the basic information DAX function and now we will study some logical functions. So these functions are same like in Excel. So let's start the video guys. We have covered these information functions in previous class. Now we will cover some logical functions. So here is the list of logical functions like AND operator, if operator, not operator, or operator, switch operator. There are lots of DAX function in logical function. So we will study these three logical DAX operator, which is if, and or. So let's go to the Power BI desktop. So go to our sales table and let's say our requirement is if our sales is greater than 5,000, that means it's meeting our target. And if our sales is less than 5,000, that means it's not meeting our target. So we will set the condition on the basis of if DAX operator. So let's see the practical guide. So I'll take new column and start write my DAX. And now I enter my header name. Let's say I want to make my header name as if condition. Now put it equal to sign and start my DAX function. So our operator is if. So we have three parameters. The first one is logical test, and the second one is result if true, and the third one is result if false. So Excel users are well aware of this condition. So our logical test is sales column because we want to set a condition on the basis of sales. So I will enter my sales column name here. It is from sales table. Now I will enter greater than equal to sign and we will set the amount which is 5,000. Now put comma. So I have set the logical test. That means our sales is greater than 5,000. So now result if true. That means our result would be target is met. And inverted comma close and now press comma. And if our target is less than 5,000, that means target is not met. So I'll write the not met. And close the bracket and press enter. And see guys, where the sales is more than 5,000, so it will displaying target is met. And if sales is less than 5,000, it will displaying target is not met. So in this way, you guys can use if condition. And you can use multiple condition with the using of if condition. Now we will study this AND operator. So let me delete this column first. AND DAX function basically checks whether both arguments are true and return the true value. If anyone is missing, then it will display false value. So I will write this AND DAX function here with if condition. So I'll another take new column here guys. And this time I'll take the header name as a AND condition. And this time our requirement is if product is milk and country is India, then it will display valid condition. Otherwise, it will display invalid condition. So both logical conditions should be satisfied. So let's see the practical guide. So I will write my DAX with AND function. So firstly, I need to enter if condition. And under if condition, I need to write AND DAX operator. And here are two parameters. So our first logic is product. So I'll write the column name, which is product, which is from sales table. Now I'll put equal to sign and select the product name, which is milk. And now comes to the second logic. So our second logical test is country. So I will select the country column here, put it equal to sign and inverted comma begin. So I'll enter India because my condition is I want to see the product and country and close the bracket. So I have set the condition that wherever milk and India is written parallelly, it will display valid. So I need to enter valid here, else it will display invalid. So inverted comma start and inverted comma close. And let's close the bracket and press enter. So we guys can see here new column has added, and wherever is India and milk is written parallelly, so it will displaying valid. Otherwise it will displaying invalid. You guys can see here milk and India, it will displaying valid. So that means for AND logical operator, both conditions should satisfy. Either of one is missing, it will displaying the false result. So I have created one more table guys to make you understand this concept better. So in this table, I have taken product name and country name, and I have applied AND logical operator with if condition. So I have applied the condition if product is milk and country is India, so it will display valid else invalid with the AND function. So you guys can see that all countries are India, but the product is different, still showing invalid because both conditions should satisfy. Either of the one condition is missing, that it will display the second result, which is invalid. And now we will study one more logical operator, which is OR function. So let's say if I edit this formula and enter OR DAX operator instead of AND. So let's see what happened, guys. So I'll put here OR and press enter. So we guys can see it will displaying all values are valid because for OR condition, either of one condition is satisfied between these two conditions. Then it will displaying the true result as it will display false. So in this table, one condition is satisfying. Like for milk, the country is India. So India is satisfying here. And for butter, the country is again India. So the one condition is satisfying. That's why it will displaying true result which is valid. So I hope guys you have cleared with the concept of basic logical operators. So in this category we have a lot of DAX operators here guys. You guys can please make practice yourself. And in our upcoming classes we will cover up some more DAX function. So please stay tuned with us and please subscribe this channel and share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. Thank you so much guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.